What is up, guys? I am back on this trimaran, custom built trimaran, and we have got the front deck firmly in place and bonded. I've got a bunch of gelcoat brushed on just to kind of seal it up. We're going to finish it a little bit better in the spring, but for now the guy's going to start. We do all the structural work underneath and everywhere. Before we do put it away, I'll go ahead and gelcoat the top, of course, here, and match the non-skid as well. And I guess he wants me to sand the railing and that kind of thing. A few of the things left, nothing much, but all the glass work is done. I might, see all these little burrs. I take those out with a chisel with sandpaper before second coat, but other than that, we're looking pretty good. So just want to do an update. We've got a couple little spots here that I'll spray, and then that's it. We're done. So again, thanks for watching, guys. Try and subscribe. You'll get notifications for this one last video for this and other jobs we got going on. Appreciate it.